for myself and for a lot of people that are in attendance today, we're knowledgeable about building science. We've been doing it, we've been building, we've been regulating. Maybe we've been making renovations within our own home, so we understand a bit about building science. And yet, I always take away more from exercises like this, because we're focusing back in on the fundamentals of building technology and the science behind it. And so it's always a good refresher for those of us even who have some knowledge, and also we're learning new things too.
One of the big things as builders that I'm taking away from these and other courses that we do on the energy efficiency side, as we tighten the envelope, as we make it more energy efficient, we increase the risk of failures in terms of water penetration or air penetration. So it's all in the detailing.
There is one learning, it would be take a holistic approach when it comes to the design and construction of a house. And I think it's important for the builder to set the tone at the beginning that this is what we're trying to achieve, have some integrated design and integrated construction meeting with his team or her team, and trying to explain why it is important to do certain things, what is the goal of this project. We have to pay attention to these details. Air tightness is important, moisture management is important. We are achieving this level of performance. So I think once you coordinate that, then the people are willing to work towards that goal.